Hello, my name is Manas Yevle. My group members are Siddhant Sadgir and Udayan Shinde. Our topic for basic electrical engineering subjects presentation is electric vehicles. So let's start with the presentation. First is introduction. An electric vehicle, also called as an electric EV, uses one or more electric motors or traction motors for propulsion instead of traditional fossil fuel. First electric carriage was built in 1830s and the first electric automobile was built in 1891 in the United States. Electric vehicles are increasingly becoming a part of modern life. Now we see the components of electric vehicle. As we well know, electric vehicles use the electricity saved in the battery to cycle the motor and generate the power necessary for driving. This is the biggest difference to the internal combustion vehicles in which the engine exhausts fossil fuel generate the power. Now the first component is motor. The motor converts electric energy into kinetic energy that moves the wheels. The advantage of using the motor instead of engine is numerous. Many passengers riding electric vehicles for the first time are surprised by just quiet and comfortable the ride feels. The second is reducer. The reducer is a kind of transmission in that it serves to efficiently convey the motor's power to wheel, but it carries the special name reducer for a reason that the motor has a far higher than that of an internal combustion engine. Now, next is battery. The battery stores electrical energy and is equivalent of a fuel tank in an internal combustion engine. The maximum driving distance of an electric vehicle is often determined by the battery capacity. The higher the capacity, the higher the driving distance. Now, next is onboard charger. The onboard charger is used to convert alternating current from the slow chargers or portable chargers used on home outlets into direct currents. This may make on the onboard charger look similar to the traditional inverter, but they differ crucially in function. The onboard charger is a charging and the inverter is for acceleration and a deceleration. Now last is electric power control unit. The electric power control unit is an efficient integration of nearly all devices that control the flow of electric power in the vehicle. Further topic will be discussed by Udayan.
Types of electric vehicle. There are three types of electric vehicle available. First one is BEV. Battery electric vehicle are 100% powered by electricity. Second, PHEV. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. These are cars within an external combustion engine and the battery charged from an external socket. In other words, they have a plug. Third, hybrid cars are with an electric battery that is charged using the internal combustion engine. They won't have a plug-in. BEV, battery electric vehicle. Battery electric vehicle or BEV. These are cars that are powered only from the electric battery. PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. These are cars that both an electric battery and a combustion engine. The electric battery is recharged from a plug. Hybrid. Hybrid cars have an electric battery and a combustion engine. The electric battery is charged using a combustion engine. Battery management system. A battery management system or BMS is any electronic system that manages a rechargeable battery, cell or battery pack, such as by protecting the battery from operating outside its safe operating area, monitoring its state, calculating secondary data, reporting that data, controlling by its environment authentically, and balancing it. A battery pack together with a battery management system with an external communication data bus is smart battery pack. A battery pack must be charged by a smart battery charger. Benefits of electric vehicle. There are many benefits of electric vehicle over conventional petrol or diesel cars. First, cheaper to run. The cost of electricity required to charge an electric vehicle is around 40% less than the cost of the petrol or similar sized vehicle driving the same distance. Second, cheaper to maintain. All electric vehicle batteries degrade or become less efficient. Most car manufacturers warrant electric batteries not degrade below a certain level for around 8 years. It may have necessary to replace a battery in an electric vehicle in the time you own it. The further part will be explained by Siddhant.
Third, cheaper to register. The government provides a discount on a stamp duty for the purchase of an electric vehicle plus ongoing discount on registration. Fourth, better for the environment. By choosing to drive an electric vehicle, you are helping to reduce the harmful air pollution from exhaust emission. If you have a solar PV system and charge an electric vehicle during the day, you can reduce for a greenhouse gas emission even further. Fifth, better for your health. Reduce harmful exhaust emission is a good news for your health, but better air quality will lead to less health problem and cost caused by air pollution. Six, better for the network. If electric vehicle charging is managed effectively, the mainly outside peak electricity demand periods, it will help you to the create flatter electricity network demand the profile over a typical 24-hour period. Seventh, better for your energy security. The electric vehicle are easy to the power from the local network and renewable energy source, that reducing the demand dependence on of origin oil. Disadvantage of electric vehicles. First, electric cars have a stronger range than gas power gas power cars. Second, recharging the battery takes time. Third, they are usually more expensive than gas power cars. Fourth, it can sometimes be difficult to find a charging station. Fifth, they are not in as many model option. Conclusion. The the process the electric vehicle industry has seen in recent year is not only extremely welcome but highly the necessary light of the increasing global greenhouse gas levels. Second, as demonstrated with the economic, the social and environmental analysis section of this, the benefits of electric vehicle are surpass the cost. Third, environmental education program people will pay incentivize and empower to drive an electric power vehicles. Fourth, each person can make a difference, so go the electric and they help make a difference. Thank you for watching the video patiently.